Hey guys, this is SterlingW. I'm going to do a full review of the Vornado Model 160. This is in addition to my other Vornados that I own, so this is pretty awesome. So the good thing about the new Vornado 160 is that it's a very small miniature of the other Vornados I own, and it's really well packaged. And so let's take this out of the box real fast. As you can see, packaged very well. Has foam coverings on in the front as well as a plastic bag to hold everything together. And of course, it's the same, very similar design to the other models that are larger, but it's a little bit more compact. As you can see, there's a 160 model, and they're virtually the same as the other ones, except for the switch and the other ones and the size. So it still has that interesting arc that basically has it. You can rotate it up, and it also has rubber feet on the bottom, so it's stable. What I like about the design is that it's very versatile. You basically have these huge knobs in the back that just has high and low for the 160 model. It has the air intakes, removable grill, very finger friendly, multiple speeds, and I love the fact that it's a tunnel effect where the wind comes out of it. So the airflow is very, very sharp, and it's a very narrow tube. Tunnel effect, which it pushes air throughout the room, which is really nice. Good for the summer, good for the spring and winter too. Depends on how you want to move the heat or cold air from your air conditioning unit. I have a few of these around in my studio as well as my home so that I can move air around. It's also great for cleaning because it has only 2 screws in the back. You just pop it off, and it's meant for DIY cleaning for the fans and also the inlets and stuff. So I try to clean these out every year, but at the same time, here is a quick sound of how loud it is. It's actually quite quiet for the low speeds, and for the loud speed at this, the effectiveness is at roughly around 5 feet of movement from in front of the fan to the thing. So this is perfect for a small room, or if you just want direct air into, let's say, under your desk or something to cool down your computers or whatever else like that. As you can see, this arch could move 100, I think, about vertically or completely horizontally, which is really nice. So you could direct the air straight up or to the side, and that huge knob is really easy. It only has high and low and off, so there's only 2 speeds to this thing. So overall, it's going great, and it's a great addition to my other Vornados. Like I said, this is the 160. I have the 300 and 400 series and also the 500 series, and I love these guys. As you can see, there's plenty of dust on them because it's sometimes very dusty, but I just clean them off. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.